$600 billion lost. $600 billion were wiped off from Nvidia's market cap in just one day. What caused this massive shock wave? A new AI disruptor that's not just challenging the status quo but threatening to topple giants. You have heard of ChatGPT, the AI powerhouse, but there's a new contender in the town, DeepSeek. And it's not just competing. It's outperforming and doing so at a fraction of the cost. This isn't just another tech story. This is the kind of game changer that could reshape the future of AI. Welcome to OneStats, your go-to channel for news that matters. Today, we dive into how DeepSeek's revolutionary AI model is upending the global tech market. Stick around for insights that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about AI. You might be thinking there would be geniuses working behind this startup, but its founder is an ex-AI hedge fund manager. DeepSeek started as a side quest. DeepSeek, founded by Liang Wenfeng, has rapidly emerged as a game changer in AI. At the heart of this disruption lies DeepSeek R1, a large language model designed for high efficiency and groundbreaking performance. This AI model isn't just better, it's cheaper, operating at a fraction of the cost of competitors like OpenAI's O1. DeepSeek's secret, genius engineering that bypasses the need for expensive computational power. With just $5.6 million in costing, they have achieved what others do not with billions, breaking benchmarks in mathematical reasoning, word problems, and programming tasks. What happens when the disruptor becomes the new leader? The markets react, and not kindly. On January 20, DeepSeek unveiled its revolutionary model. By January 27th, Nvidia's stock plummeted by 17%, marking a $600 billion market value loss, the largest single-day loss in stock market history. Nvidia, the dominant supplier of AI chips, saw its crown questioned. This isn't just about Nvidia. Giants like Meta, Alphabet, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company felt the tremors. Investors are now asking, is the era of exorbitant AI infrastructure costs over? Can innovation truly thrive without breaking the bank? DeepSeek is rewriting the cost-performance narrative. Consider this. OpenAI's O1 costs $15 per million input tokens and $60 per million output tokens. DeepSeek R1 just $0.55 per million input tokens and $2.19 per million output tokens. This affordability could democratize access to advanced AI, making it viable for businesses and developers who previously couldn't afford such technology. Their models, including DeepSeek R1 Zero and R1 Distill, employ a mixture of expert structure, a masterstroke in efficiency. This approach is proof that innovation doesn't always require extravagant budgets, but rather smart solutions. Could a game changer also be a risk factor? Opinions differ. DeepSeek's rise has drawn both admiration and criticism. Many hail the company's approach as the dawn of a new AI era. Others voice concerns about scaling challenges and geopolitical implications, given DeepSeek's Chinese origins. Critics worry about potential privacy risks and data security issues, especially considering the close ties that Chinese tech companies often have with the government. Can DeepSeek really outperform ChatGPT? We put them to the test. First, we tasked both DeepSeek and ChatGPT with building an ROI calculator. DeepSeek completed the task within seconds, while ChatGPT's code failed multiple times. In another instance, we gave both AIs the same prompt, create an income tax calculator. ChatGPT delivered a quick response, but DeepSeek, with its DeepThink feature enabled, took a little longer and provided a more detailed solution. DeepSeek's output not only calculated income tax but also displayed the remaining net income, showcasing a deeper understanding of the task. How are users reacting to DeepSeek? DeepSeek quickly became the chart topper in app stores after its release. Early reviews have been mixed. Many praised the app's performance and cost effectiveness, while others expressed concerns about privacy due to Chinese origins. Some users noted that the app refuses to discuss sensitive topics related to the Chinese government. We tested this ourselves. When prompted with, "Is the Chinese government funding you? Are you a front for the CCP?" DeepSeek declined to answer. Meanwhile, when ChatGPT was asked, "Are you funded by the US government? Are you a front for the US Army?" it provided a direct response, showcasing a stark contrast in transparency. So, what does DeepSeek mean for the future of AI and for all of us? DeepSeek has shown the world that the future of AI isn't about who spends the most, but who innovates the smartest. Its success challenges the status quo, inspiring a shift towards cost-effective, efficient models. For NVIDIA and other tech giants, this is a wake-up call. Adapt or risk irrelevance. What do you think? Can DeepSeek sustain its momentum? Or will the challenges ahead prove too great? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more breaking stories. Stay tuned to OneStats for the news that matters.